Yo, what's up everybody? Your boy T-Ray is back, bringing you some more exclusive sneaker footage. So we all know today that we had the Space Jam LeBron 18s to drop as well. And also we got the Space Jam movie that came out as well too. But yo, what we're here today is we're here to showcase our brand new Wile E and Roadrunner sneakers right here, right now, because you know what, today your boy got them on the doorstep today. So you know what, it's time to show you all what we got. So check it out, here we go. We're gonna get right into it. We ain't even gonna waste no time. As you already know, we got the double color, we got the brown and we got the blue. The colorway race is pretty much like a blue, metallic blue, university, gold, and white. Alright, so I mean pretty much the detail on these shoes as well. As you can see, the brown, we already know this Wile because he's brown, we already know. But as you know, same thing, we get the Toon Squad in the front, but we also got some signature words as well. We already know Wile could never catch the Roadrunner, so he always wind up getting hurt. And we got the signature words right here on the side. Yow! Also under the tongue as well, we got the help symbol as well. What can I say? The sneakers is amazing. Like I said before, the actual detail on these sneakers that has come out with the Space Jam editions has been phenomenal. Also, let's go and jump over into the Roadrunner with the nice blue metallic color. Like I said, his slogan as well, we already know him as the Beat Beat. But we got the same thing as well. We got the Toon Squad tongue in the front, and also we have the face of the Roadrunner himself. Now, we already know the sneakers released again today, and they was at a retail price of $160 if I'm not mistaken. But like I said, everybody that was in the sneaker drops, that one, congrats, and when they do come, trust me, you're gonna love the sneakers. So my question to you all is, once you get them, what are you going to do? Are you going to put them on and rock them? Or are you going to showcase them? I mean, what you going to do? Let me know in the comments. But also, before we leave, you already know I got to show you all some amazing shots with these sneakers as well. So all I'm going to say is this. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button for your boy, because you know what, the likes does help the channel. I would truly appreciate it. But yeah, again, we're finna get into some images, so like I said, kick back, relax, and yeah man, let's get it.